How to log into Alaska Airlines. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log into Alaska Airlines. Alaska Airlines is a major American airline headquartered in Seattle, Washington. It's the fifth largest airline in the US and operates a large domestic route network as well as international flights to destinations in various countries like Mexico, Canada, Costa Rica and Hawaii. Now to get started, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type Alaska Airlines, then press enter to search it. Here you will find various search results. Click on this first link and then you will be taken to the official page of Alaska Airlines. Here once you reach to this page, at the top right you will find various options. You will also see sign in option just ahead this register option. Click on it and then you will be taken to the login page. Here at the right side you will find the login interface. Here in the first box enter the email address associated with your account and in the second box type the password of your account. Make sure you enter the correct password here. You can also click on this I button at the right to check if you have correctly entered your password or not. After entering all your details, click on the sign in button and then you will be able to log into your Alaska Airlines account. Here, in case if you forgot your password, you can also recover it by clicking on this forgot password option and by following the instructions given to you. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.